more detail when we go through it again. But okay, Cuid, Bob.
Sha a gur Chile is nach an tro a gur one two and dos war sin blian of kin.
Okay, Sha Adurchi Lehen.
Yeah, sure, she said to herself. There isn't.
She said to herself.
Said to herself?
Mm-hmm. Nache and Trua A.
Wasn't it a pity?
Yeah. Yeah. Gur 1, 2, and Duish Warshin. You might not know the word Duish. And Duish Warshin.
That you're a big winner.
Okay, so Bob and Kathleen. Okay, that's the idea. But Gur 1, 2, and Duish Warshin, Bob and Kathleen.
Another year.
That you won that big prize. Blian O'Hen.
Last year.
Last year. A year ago,
A
actually.
year ago, okay.
Let's write that verb to.
Yeah, ban.
Yeah.
That's a great word.
In Tom's class.
Yeah, it's used for all sorts of
All
things.
evening long.
I love that word. Okay. So, Shejag, Kathleen.
Sin é an rud a heol bóthar dam lasa tú.
So, Shine and Rod, a Hiol, Woher Dav Lasahu. Okay. So, Shine and Rod.
That's the thing.
Yeah, except for you. Everyone except Bob and Kathleen. Shine and Rod, a Hiol.
Walking the road?
That's the thing. A Hiol is that scent. Okay, and then this one you guys probably don't know. Woher Dav Lasa.
Road.
On the road. What's the duh in there, do you think?
I guess to his downfall.
Your downfall. It's basically that led you astray, that
Okay,
sent you off to the bad.
Bad end.
Okay.
Road to road.
Yeah, we'll talk about that one.
How do you
It's
say that last word?
Davlasa.
That last.
Boher Davlasa.
That's bad end.
It's like to a bad end. Yeah, I'll explain it when we get to the grammar side. Okay. Shachche, Bob.
Tá tú imiche an drálas ól agus ragerne ná Geall-Cuid agus fiantas sinnéad bun agus bar da héal an ish.
So Tatu Imeha.
You are going. You are going. I guess you're going to
Growlers.
go to hell.
Yeah, debauchery actually.
Okay.
You've
With the women.
gone on the debauchery. Okay, ol is what? Drinking. I guess ragarnya.
Manon.
Revelry is ragarnya.
Yeah.
Mana, women. Okay. Geall-Glacadori. Geall is a promise. Glock is to take. It's bookkeepers or bookmakers, I guess you call it.
Oh, the book.
The bookie, right? Okay. I guess
Okay.
fiantus. You guys know that one?
What's Geall-Cuid?
Fiantus. Geall-Glacadori are bookmakers or bookies.
Takers.
Yeah, takers of bets. Okay. I guess fiantus. You guys know that one? You know the word fion?
Wine.
That's fion. That's actually fion is wild. So fiantus is like wildness. Yeah. Shiniad boon agus bar de halenish.
There is.
Yeah.
Those
are shiniad. Boon agus bar is basically your whole life now. So those are your whole life now.
What is fuel again?
Hail. Sail is life. The hail.
Okay. Fuel and ish?
The hail is your life of your life. Yeah.
That's life?
Yeah. Sail is life.
Hail the sail, is that the sail is like?
Sail has a few different meanings, but it's used often for life. It's life, it's world. A few different meanings. Depends how you use it. Here it's life. Okay? So, catchline number 18.
V2 is vad nisfar as nur a V ort the vaha a
A
shave
Hefru.
a hefru.
So, V2 awadnis faros, nuravi or devaha a Hefru.
Oh, isn't
Okay.
Baha home?
Home, no, actually,
Something
Baha.
like that?
Baha actually means the same as sail. It also means life. So, V2 awadnis far. You want to know the word nisfar?
Something about man.
No, not. It looks like it was different. Better. So V2 awadnis faras, you are much better off.
When
You would have V ort the vaha ahefru.
When you were poor.
Not quite.
When you weren't that well off.
When
Huh?
thy life
You were
something.
swimming.
Okay. All right. When you had to earn your living.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, he's a man about,
Okay.
he's a playboy.
So, if I need you, Bob.
Ook zien de brogen can dabben.
Okay. Hogs in a brogan.
Shoes. Brought
She
that
took-
into your bed.
She took,
Huh?
She took her shoes to the
she
bed.
took the shoes
The shoes
off
from the bed. Yeah.
From the bed.
Okay. Kathleen.
On Jenny May Kapon Tay Dutch.
Okay.
Got
That.
a
Would
tea
you
for
like me
you.
to make you a cup of tea?
Yeah. Literally, will I make you a cup of tea? Okay. Bob. 21.
Gre kallen a chan.
Colin shook his head.
Shook his head. Chri Colum Achyan. He shook his head. Okay. 20.
Means no, doesn't it?
Right, that's no.
Oh, he doesn't have to be.
He doesn't want
Not
to.
anything.
You will find out.
Shook.
Chri.
Krith is shook, and then call him the head.
Yeah. Shook Colum his head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 22. Kathleen.
Ní mór dom Irie a Dorche.
Okay. Bob and Kathleen, you want to take a
Yeah,
shot?
he doesn't, I don't want anything, said he.
Well,
Is it, I don't want to get up.
I have to get up.
Oh, I have to.
Yeah. We'll explain that when we get there.
There's more.
I'll explain it when we get there. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We're just going to kind of go through it
Irie,
quickly. We're going to go through it quickly. We're going to go through it quickly, and then we'll go back to the grammar and explain it more. So, Fichatri, Bob.
Dag no pranyach agam leshen monk.
Okay. And guess what the last word is?
Bank.
Bank.
And the
Okay.
bank, he has to do something about his money in the bank.
Before she draws it
Does
all.
anyone know the word pranyach? Pranyach? You know pranyach?
Sounds like prawns.
I have urgent business with the bank. Okay. Ficha Cather, Kathleen.
Lonnie May na Shomra his styra a dirt ban I Brolicon.
Okay. So Glaniman Shomri.
I'm always cleaning the rooms
I say I will clean the rooms. I will clean the rooms. Which ones?
upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah. Okay.
Downstairs.
Okay. Said Mrs. O'Brolcon.
Said-
Okay. Ficha Bob.
Glani man shumra shall nur a ve tu imicha.
So,
I'll clean your room when you're gone.
right. I'll clean this room when you're gone. Right. Okay. And Ficha Shay, Kathleen.
Hui she is styra agus I emaknav egor on sale
And tail.
tail agus on maihas
Dedach.
a dénach shisha a dhéanamh donna boit is donna haslin da mé an Cyrus mór sin ina shell féin.
Okay. So Huishi Styra. So what did she do?
She went down the stairs.
Downstairs.
Agus
and
Iag Machnav Egor and tail. Machnav. You guys know that one?
Give the boy the
Igmachnav. So Igmachnav would be the verb because it has the. She Igmachnav is thinking or reflecting on her Egor and tail.
scared.
It's actually Egor is injustice of life. Egor and tail. Agus Aaron Machas a
And
dedach.
the injustice of
Yeah. Agus Aaron Machas a dedach shisha a yenav. What's Machas look like?
Goodness.
Yeah, the good. A dedach shisha a yenav. Shisha a yenav. What part? What's that look like? Yenav. And the word
Oh, the
Jaina.
good that she could do.
The good that she could do. A dedach shisha a yenav to do.
Poor
Donna bwicht
to the poor.
to the poor is donna hasline.
And to
It's
the
related to the word slan,
And
except it's the opposite of slan.
to the ill.
To the ill, to the sick. Yeah. Haslan. Dameach and Severus Morshin and a Shell of Hain. Bob and Kathleen, you guys want to take a guess at that?
If were
if only she had
the
the
great.
That's the idea. Yeah. If she had that great wealth in her possession, basically. Okay.
That's that one that, I don't know why they don't put an accent on the E. Van?
The mech, yeah.
Yeah. Why they put an accent on the E? That's like that darn tiger.
Song Oro Shade Baha Wai. I thought Baha was bio is.
Oh, that's an idiom in Irish. So it's an idiom for saying like you're welcome, like welcome home or something like that. But literally, it's behold it is your life coming home, something like that. Which I guess if you think about it, sort of makes sense. But
So one translation is just a hail.
yeah, there's a greeting actually. Shedavaha is a greeting, just like hi. You wouldn't. It sounds strange. You wouldn't see two kids saying Shedavaha to each other.
That's the way the Hail Mary starts.
Shedavaha, right?
Weird.
Which literally means something like, well, maybe if you think about it, that's what does hail mean? You know?
Shade of the
Except one version is G is shade of I think.
Yeah.
Or
So
G is-
So I was
I'm not
thinking-
sure that I think there's a longer expression that probably comes.